I'm making like a jet sound. That has nothing to do with the jets. Hey, if I ever call you guys sneaker fam, just reach through your computer and like punch me right in the face, because I would deserve it. Doop. Hi, how you doing? Good? That's cool. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on socials. It's social medias. You can also give me a little subscribe if you dig what's going on here. If you don't, that's totally cool too. Plenty of people on YouTube to watch videos of. Is that, no, that's not a sentence. But you know, you're human. You're a big boy and or big girl and or big person. Make your own decisions. That's cool. What am I talking about? Hi, pals. Sometimes I just feel a little bit down, so I buy things. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I buy things and then I like to show you guys because, I don't know, it's a reason to film a video, I guess. So hey, haul series. A couple really good things. There's this first thing comes to us from a fella on Twitter. If you guys have a Twitter account, you need to be following this dude. His handle is @sockjig. If you don't know what the sock jig is, it's something that you used to be able to do on Shopify sites before. It's nerd speak. But either way, this dude went and made his own socks. I just think this is so cool. He's got his own little logo. It's the Calabasas pant font, but it says sock jig. And I got 2 pairs, but he sent me some stickers too, which I think are pretty cool. I mean, it's just the black crew sock. These are sold out. I just wanted to give the dude a shout out. It's a very, very good Twitter account. He's probably one of the funniest sneaker Twitter accounts there is. @sockjig. Give him a follow on social or on Twitter. And he even wrote, "Thank you, SB Mitch @sockjig." Very cool dude. Based out of Canada, so that's why I'm wearing the Expos hat. This next thing comes to us from someone on Instagram I found out about. He makes little keychains, which are just so cool. Give him a follow on Insta, even though I hate Instagram. He's got his own little sticker. It's @FlipItSF, which is Flip It San Francisco. This dude makes little dunk and other shoe keychains. So we'll do some close-up stuff. So this first one is a Futura Dunk Low SB keychain, which I think is so cool. It's not actually just a big chunk. It's like hollow, like an actual shoe. So the tongue has movability. The laces are actually laces, which I just think is super cool. And you guys know that this shoe is at the top left of my collection, which I'm a big fan of. And since I'll never actually own the pair because I don't have $6,000 lying around, I got a Deftones Dunk High keychain. Same deal, movable tongue. It's got actual laces, which is just so cool. I just think these are 2 very, very cool things. FlipItSF, very cool account to follow. Grab some of these keychains too. He doesn't have just dunks. He has like Jordans and other stuff too. And they're just really well done. And it's just better to get them from like a dude that's actually making them on Instagram than to like go to SneakerCon and buy them for like $5 when you know you can get them better quality and more personalized from this dude. So thank you, Flip It. This next one is near and dear to my heart. This comes to me from a fella I know on social media. Very cool dude. I've gotten numerous things from him before. I'm laughing at the S thing, but it's from my buddy D-Block. Give him a follow on Instagram @DBlockDunks. Very good dude. He wrote a little note, says, "Sir," because it's very formal. I'll write a less emo note this time so you can share with your viewers. So I'm sharing with you guys. But he actually did a collaboration with one of his buddies who's done collaborations before. It's on the bottom left of the actual shirt, which I think is very cool. It's a screen printed logo of his. I don't remember the name of the fella he did the collaboration with, but he's done other things before. I just think this is really cool. It's very well done. You can see the D in the block. And it's got a pocket for if you want to put a snack in there. dblockdunks.com @dblockdunks on Instagram and Twitter. He's very good on Twitter, I will say that. Very excited about this. So this is like one of the biggest reasons I want to do this video. This comes to me from someone on eBay I actually bought, and he contacted me and told me his Instagram name. So give him a follow on Instagram. It's @Nike_SB_4life. I don't know, it's on the screen right now. It's a whole bunch of stuff, but this is a pair that I've always wanted and never got because I was a brat and would be like, I don't like the purple box era. But this is a pair that I've just been a huge fan of for a while. It's a size 11.5 Dunk Low Premium. I don't know why I never bought this pair for myself. There's a Jordan 1 high that copied the living bagumbo, which is not a word, out of this colorway. In my opinion, these are called high hair. Take them both out. This is high hair on the ankle. Some people call these Aquanet because there's details on here that are very much like a hairnet, which we'll show you right now. You can see along all of the aqua except for the swoosh and the outsole, obviously. It's got this like net material, which is just very cool. I do know a lot of these pairs discolored because over time the net turns yellow if it's exposed to sunlight. But this is just such a cool pair. I am so happy with these. Warner, thank you, man. These are awesome. Give them a follow at Nike SB for life. It's on the screen right now. I didn't want to say the underscores, but dang, man, this shoe is awesome. I don't care what anybody says. I am super pumped on that. Yes, I definitely paid a good amount for them when I probably could have got them a long time ago for probably less than a quarter of the price, but hey, whatever. I'm an idiot. You guys know that. It's well documented. Last thing comes to us from Soul Steals. Soul Steals is part of Soul Supremacy. It's a mystery box. So what he does every once in a while is releases mystery boxes with like a top tier pull. So there's a chance that this pair could be under what I paid or it could be over what I paid. I think I paid a total of 90 shipped. So let's find out what this is. Those of you who don't know what Soul Steals is, it's part of Soul Supremacy. It's a $20 a month membership only site. They have mystery boxes, Supreme stuff sometimes, lots of pairs way under market. I mean, they basically put them at what StockX payout is. So it's still significantly under market, especially if you're going after something that's very, very expensive. Okay, whew. Usually when I get these kind of things, they're always Adidas. This is a Nike, and it is packed in here. Hold on. This is tough to get out.
That's what she said.
So already a good sign that it's a Nike. Oh, it's an undercover collaboration too. So it is a Nike. It is my size, a size 11. But it's size 12.5 women's Daybreak undercover. Interesting. So this is a model that was kind of revamped over the last year or so. The Daybreak. This is an undercover collab. This is a really cool colorway, very Heineken looking. It's got this really nappy suede along the mudguard, speckled midsole, black outsole. It's a runner, obviously. It looks kind of like a waffle kind of outsole. Red swoosh, red laces. These are dead stock too. This is what freaks me out here is this back area here. It looks like something that like someone would draw on like Wolverine and then it ended up on a shoe somehow, but it's got black suede inside of it. These are actually pretty cool. I don't know what the market is on these. I would imagine these are worth more than 90 bucks. Or maybe they're worth 90 bucks exactly. I don't know, we'll see. Cool, soulsteals.com, @soulsteals on Instagram. Thanks, Scotty. This is actually a really good pull. It's not the top tier pull. I think the top pulls were like Obsidian 1s and like maybe, I think a pair of Air Max Susans was involved or something like that. But if you did get a pair that was under market, that's under what you paid, that's always a risk. So it's kind of like a raffle, I guess you could say, but soulsteals.com is very, very cool. I love that site. I get stuff from there all the time. I just haven't shown you guys what I've gotten there in a while. So dang, that's a cool pair. Really a big fan of all the stuff we got today, especially those high hairs. Thanks to everyone involved in this video, including yourself, for taking the time to watch this video. I am requesting, I am bequeathing you. Is that a word? It might be, I don't really know. Please come back tomorrow and watch tomorrow's beater box video. It's a very special box. It's an awesome box. It's a crazy box. Here's the thing, it's a $1 box. It is from Soul Supremacy. It costs like 51 bucks, and we're gonna be giving the rest of the profits from that box to charity, and it's a charity I'm very proud to be giving to. Please, 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 please come back. I'm very much looking forward to this video. I haven't edited yet, but I have opened it. So thank you again for watching. I appreciate you taking the time. See you tomorrow. Please come back. It sounds like I'm begging, but it's just a video that I'm very proud to be a part of. So till tomorrow or next time, take care of each other. Remember to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.